On top with tori for today, President Muhammadu Buhari don tanda for Saudi Arabia unto economic forum wey wan shele for there. Naija President Muhammadu Buhari don comot for Naija as im don go Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for official trip make e for fit at ten d economic forum of future investment initiative (FII) wey go shele for Riyadh. President Muhammadu Buhari do dis Saudi waka with governors of Borno, Katsina and Kebbi states. Pipo wey waka come airport come receive President Muhammadu Buhari na governor of Riyadh province and some other ogbonge pipo for Saudi Arabia government. Other pipo wey follow do dis waka na Naija ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Communication and Minister of Trade and Investment, Minister of State for Petroleum, National Security Adviser, Director General for National Intelligence Agency and other senior government officials. President Buhari go throw better light put on top all the ogbonge economic opportunity wey dey Naija for the economic forum, how im administration don waka reach on top policy matter wey dey improve business, and how dis one go take carry investors come Naija. Na senior special assistant to President Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity, Garba Shehu, na im come throw better light give tori pipo on top how President Muhammadu Buhari waka dey unto the economic forum wey wan shele for Saudi Arabia.
Be here for about 3 days debating the future of investment. Which direction is it taking? Which direction is industry taking? So it is important then you are here because it then says that you are into global reckoning and that you are also a factor to reckon with. It's about the future, and hopefully we will also help in building, in partnership with all of the participants here, a bright future for our own country, for the continent of Africa.
Now, after this ogbonge economic summit, we go share on top future investment initiative. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari go come take waka go United Kingdom on Saturday, 2nd November for private visit before he go come back to Naija on 17th November 2019. This one means say President Muhammadu Buhari go stay for UK for 15 days before he come Naija. Now, so these updates reach on top with tori for today. On top say Naija President don waka go Saudi Arabia, making for tanda on top economic summit wey wan shele for there. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey come meet una so na T Live Media and I'm carry am come give una on top with tori for today. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.